Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering up and preparing the essentials. Plug the HyperX wireless USB dongle into the Ps5 front USB port and make sure the headset is charged and turned off. On the Ps5, go to Settings, select Accessories, and keep that screen visible so you can confirm connection progress. Once the dongle is seated, you'll use the headset's power/pairing sequence next. Doing these steps first reduces guesswork and prevents reboots mid-pairing. Now you put the headset into pairing mode. Hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes, indicating pairing. The Ps5 accessories screen should show a new device named HyperX or Wireless. Select it to pair. Make sure the dongle stays in the front port and avoid moving the headset far from the console. If the Ps5 prompts for confirmation, accept it. This step links audio and mic routes so chat and game sound route correctly through the headset. Finish by configuring audio on the Ps5. Go to Sound Settings, set output device to the USB headset, and adjust volume and mic level so game and chat balance properly. Test with a party or game and enable mic monitoring if you need side tone. If audio or mic fails, reboot the Ps5, remove and reinsert the dongle, and repeat pairing. If problems persist, check HyperX firmware on a PC and update. That often fixes connectivity or latency issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.